Let's be honest. Most AI tools today are just glorified search engines. You ask a question, it gives you a suggestion, and then you still have to do all the heavy lifting. You're still the one copying, pasting, formatting, and emailing. But what if you didn't have to? What if you had a digital employee, a worker that doesn't just suggest but actually executes tasks from start to finish? Today, I'm showing you a platform that is genuinely changing the game. It's called Kortix, and specifically we're looking at the European Super AI app. Think of it like ChatGPT, but with its own computer. It can browse the web, extract data, build professional presentations, and even manage your Slack and Gmail while you're out grabbing coffee. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up your own autonomous AI workforce step by step. Let's dive in. First thing first, head over to Kortix.com. I will put the link in the description. This is the web version of Kortix. You can also use the mobile version available for Android and iOS. When you sign up, you'll land on a clean, intuitive dashboard that asks a very simple question. At your service, what's the mission? Now, if you're looking at the top of that dashboard, you'll see the Kortix Superworker. This is your gateway to 6 core capabilities. Slides for presentations, data for spreadsheets and analysis, docs for professional writing, people for lead generation, research for deep web dives, image for visual creation. Before we dive into those, a quick tip. Kortix offers a free plan to get you started, so you can test these missions out yourself without any upfront cost. Let's look at what makes this autonomous instead of just a chatbot. I'm going to give it a real-world research task. Research the top 5 competitors in the AI agent space and summarize their features. After entering the prompt, you can attach any kind of document. After that, you can integrate with over 50 MCP tools. This is very important. I will talk about this later. Next, come to the worker settings. Here, you will find the worker and worker settings. This is for advanced content creation. Don't worry, I will share the method of creating a super worker later in this video. This time, I will go with the default settings. Okay, we are ready. When I hit enter, pay attention to the right side of the screen. This is the Kortix computer. Unlike traditional AI that just pulls from its training data, Kortix actually browses the live web, extracts specific data, and completes multi-step workflows without constant human oversight. You can watch it think and execute in real time. It's identifying the competitors, visiting their sites, and compiling a summary report for you. It's essentially a worker that completes tasks through natural language instructions. You can use this for market analysis, identifying key insights from complex data, competitive intelligence, comparing tools like AutoGPT, Zapier, or Make.com, deep research, finding the latest trends in autonomous AI and generating a full report. Okay, now imagine you want to create a presentation for a meeting. You don't need to open PowerPoint and start from scratch. Just open a new chat and then ask Kortix to create your presentation. For example, I am typing, create an 8-slide presentation about the features of AI agents in daily life. Now you can set all other settings and then hit the send button. And here it is, the Kortix agent and computer in action. You can see that the agent is now researching my query. Once done, it will gather all the data, search, and generate all the related graphics and images. In the end, Kortix will generate all the slides. And here it is. The presentation is ready. And look at the result. This is really amazing. The content is legit, the design is perfect, and the overall look is professional. I really love this presentation. Now, you can preview the file from here. If you find anything wrong, you can customize it manually, step by step. You have complete control over the file, so you don't have to worry about any issues. And if you want to customize any slide, then you can select the option from here and mention what you want to customize. If you want to transform this PPT to a video file, then select this option, and Kortix will do the task within a few seconds. And it's done. So, now you can create any kind of presentation using Kortix AI. Okay, now imagine you need to hire a data analyst or lead generator. It will cost a fortune. However, Kortix can do all the research and give you the exclusive data. For example, I need information about the top 50 dentists in New York City. So, I am typing, create a CSV file with 50 individual dentists from New York, including name, email, company or chamber, address, and LinkedIn profile URL. Hit the send button and then wait for some time while Kortix does all the research. The Kortix computer is in charge now. You can see the progress or workflow in real time. It's searching all over the internet, collecting and verifying the data. Once the process is done, it will convert all the data into a CSV file and provide me a formatted result sheet like this as per my request. This is really amazing. If you want to do it manually, you have to work for at least a week to find quality data like this, while Kortix gives you all this within a minute. So now you can create any kind of content, conduct research, and even analyze data using Kortix. However, the real power of the Kortix web platform comes when you connect it to the tools you already use. You can build personalized superworkers that integrate directly with Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, LinkedIn, and more. Imagine this. You ask Kortix to write a weekly blog post. It doesn't just write it. It saves it to your Google Sheet, posts it to LinkedIn, and notifies your team on Slack the moment it's done. That is a 100% automated content pipeline from a single prompt. Okay, let's see how we can build our own superworker. Come to the left sidebar and then select the worker option. Now click on the Create Worker option here. A pop-up will appear. You can import from a file or a JSON file. To create from scratch, click on Create Worker. Kortix will create the new worker. Now we have to customize it as per our needs. So select the new worker. Here, you will find some options. First of all, the instruction or system prompt. Here, you have to mention the role of this worker and how it will work. I already wrote a system prompt to write a blog post for every day. I am entering the prompt here. Now, save the instruction. Next, we have the tool configuration option. Here, you will find 28 tools or features like task management, files and folders, web search, and others. I think all of them are needed to create an outstanding blog post. So I will keep them enabled. Next, we have the integration option. Here, you can integrate over 50 tools or MCP servers with your worker to automate content creation seamlessly. Daily needed tools like Gmail, Calendar, GitHub, Notion, Slack, all of them are available. You just have to connect them. If you want to add any custom MCP, you can also do that. However, for this one, I will connect with my Google Sheet. The process is very simple. You just have to authenticate the tool. The rest will be done by Kortix. In this method, you can connect with other MCP tools. After the integration, you will find the knowledge option. If you have any kind of knowledge base, like custom voice, information, or data, you can upload it or enter it manually. In the end, we have the trigger option. This is to run the worker automatically. There are two kinds of triggers: scheduled trigger and event-based trigger. Imagine I want to generate a post every day at 9 a.m. So, I am selecting the scheduled trigger. Now we have to configure the trigger. First, enter a name and description. After that, come to the Schedule tab. Here, you have to set the trigger time. That means when this worker starts acting automatically. You can set it as per your need. In the end, you need to add a variable. Once everything is set, hit the Save button. And our worker is ready. I will rename it as Daily Post Generator. The worker will generate a blog post every day at 9 a.m. and preserve it in my Google Sheet. Isn't it amazing? You don't need to do anything now. Everything is automated. Okay, this is an automation worker. What if we need a specific worker for certain work? We can build it. The process is the same. For example, I want to turn a video into a blog post, so I need a YouTube to blog post generator worker. In that case, I will create a new worker. Once the worker is ready, I will customize the instruction. After that, you can customize the tools. If you want to add any integration, you can add it from here. You can add a custom knowledge base. And even add the trigger. I won't add any trigger. Once everything is set, save the worker and rename it as your worker function. Okay, our worker is ready. Now, let's try the worker. I am simply asking to create a blog post with the video link and then hit the send button. After a few seconds, I got this result. And you can see how rich the content is. The format, information, SEO, and everything are perfect. I can say that no other AI agent can do that. Let's have a try with ChatGPT. I am entering the same prompt and then hitting the send button. And this is the result ChatGPT produces. This is literally a very generic result. And our superworker generated result? It's rich, formatted, and ready to post. The difference is huge. So now you can create this kind of amazing superworker or agent to generate highly detailed results. This is not the end. You can also generate videos and images. In the Video tab, you will find various video styles. Just select one of them. Now you can add the prompt and upload the image. Once done, hit the Send button. Now, the agent will analyze the prompt and image, and then start generating the video. This is not some generic video generation. It analyzes the content requirement and then customizes the prompt, and finally generates the final result like this. You can also generate any kind of images from here. You just have to select the style, enter the reference image, and then enter the prompt. The AI will handle the rest. You can also generate an image from only a text prompt. Kortix is truly a work-while-you-sleep platform. Before we wrap up, I do want to mention that there is a mobile app available for both iOS and Android. Stop browsing the web yourself and start letting your autonomous workers do it for you. If you have questions about setting up your first trigger, drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.